During the LAAD 2025 Defense Exhibition in Rio de Janeiro, Brazilian Defense Minister José Múcio revealed that Brazil is actively negotiating with Poland, Finland, and Türkiye about potential sales of Embraer C-390 Millennium, a modern tactical transport aircraft. This disclosure came shortly after Sweden confirmed the acquisition of 4 C-390s, making it the first Nordic nation, and fifth NATO member, to opt for the jet-powered airlifter, a significant milestone for Embraer's export ambitions. Múcio underscored Brazil's confidence in the C-390's growing role in the international defense aviation market. Currently, the C-390 Millennium has been selected or ordered by Brazil, Portugal, Hungary, the Netherlands, Austria, Czech Republic, South Korea, Sweden, and one unnamed customer. The aircraft is steadily becoming a global benchmark for next-generation military transport, with more nations considering it as a replacement for aging fleets. Poland, for instance, operates a variety of airlifters including 8 C-130 Hercules variants, a substantial number of CASA C-295s, and PZL-M28S. Finland, with a leaner setup, relies on C-295MS and PC-12NGs while sharing strategic transport through NATO's C-17 fleet. Türkiye fields an eclectic mix ranging from upgraded C-130s to CN-235s and a growing fleet of Airbus A400MS. The C-390, with its jet propulsion, high payload capacity, and flexibility in mission profiles, offers these countries a compelling alternative to legacy turboprop platforms. The C-390 and its aerial refueling variant, the KC-390, have gained traction thanks to their operational performance and versatility. Brazil, the launch customer, initially ordered 28 units but later revised its commitment to 22. Portugal expects 5 units, Hungary has taken delivery of 1 of 2, and other buyers include the Netherlands, 5, Austria, 4, and the Czech Republic, 2, with the first due in 2025. South Korea is lined up for 3 deliveries by 2026. These aircraft boast a mission success rate exceeding 99% and are lauded for their dependability and multi-role capabilities. Sweden's recent acquisition of 4 aircraft will phase out its 6 C-130s, reflecting a broader European trend toward modernization and interoperability. The Swedish Ministry of Defense highlighted the value of shared logistics, standardized training, and lower lifecycle costs within Europe. Meanwhile, in Africa, Embraer has signed a cooperation agreement with Denel, South Africa's state-owned defense firm, to support aerostructure production and maintenance for the KC-390. South Africa is assessing the aircraft as a replacement for its older military transports. Beyond confirmed buyers, Embraer is in dialogue with numerous other potential customers. India is reportedly considering a significant order of up to 80 aircraft, and Mexico has welcomed Embraer representatives amid efforts to introduce a tanker version to the U.S. Air Force. Colombia, Chile, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Greece, Morocco, Uzbekistan, and Rwanda are also on Embraer's radar. Of note, Embraer has proposed setting up a final assembly line in Poland, a project that could bring over $1 billion in economic value and 600 new jobs to the region. The aircraft's global fleet has consistently recorded over 93% availability and mission completion rates nearing perfection. It has proven itself in a broad range of operations, from disaster relief and medevac missions to air-to-air refueling and logistical resupply. Brazilian C-390s have been deployed in support of humanitarian missions in Haiti, Ukraine, and Antarctica, and have participated in joint exercises with international allies. Türkiye's role in this narrative is multifaceted. At the LAAD event, Embraer and Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSA, inked a memorandum of understanding to collaborate on Embraer's commercial E-2 jet family, with future cooperation possibly extending to the C-390. Turkish officials have expressed interest in leveraging their aerospace manufacturing expertise in areas like structural assembly and aircraft testing, potentially laying the groundwork for C-390 involvement. Embraer initiated the C-390 project in the 2000s with the intent of delivering a faster, heavier lifting, and more cost-effective jet alternative to the C-130 Hercules. Backed by early government funding and a multi-billion-dollar development contract, the aircraft took its maiden flight in 2015. Featuring twin IAE V2500 E5 engines and advanced fly-by-wire systems, the C-390 incorporates several technologies from Embraer's commercial E-jet lineup and is built in partnership with global suppliers like Rockwell Collins, FAA, BAE Systems, and OGMA. Each C-390 is estimated to cost around €80 million, with marketing centered on its superior speed, cargo capacity, and lower operational costs compared to its primary rival, the C-130J. Technically, the C-390 measures over 35 meters in both length and wingspan, with an internal hold capable of transporting a pair of M113 armored vehicles, a medium helicopter, or up to 80 personnel. It supports high-altitude cargo drops, medevac operations with 74 stretcher capacity, and aerial refueling using Cobham pods. Its unpaved runway capability, taking off from just 4,000 feet of soft surface, further broadens its mission profile, especially in remote or austere environments. Modern avionics, infrared countermeasures, and robust self-protection systems make it a strategic option for high-risk missions. With a ferry range of over 8,000 kilometers and multiple international users validating its performance, the C-390 Millennium is shaping up to be a significant force in the global airlift market.